Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Welcome! Today I'm going to make some mini pizzas. Instead of dough, I'm using pita bread this time. So first, cut your pita bread in half. Next, add some black pepper and chives to a bowl of tomato sauce. To taste. Mix it all up. Spread your tomato sauce over the pita bread. Top it with spinach, salami, and of course, cheese. And then put them in the oven. When your bread is crispy and your cheese looks nice, your pizza is ready to serve.